Hadien bala pendap pura 6% nika special intensive revision u Deputy Commissioner Ri-Bhoi District Dr. Abhishek Saini menta ka sngi la paidbah ya ki Draft Electoral Roll jong baro santali ki constituency ha ki district but IT ru shakinong mi khamat jong ki seng san hima ba pher Kicing IT yakini ki Draft Electoral Roll kala long ha kicing lang bala pen long ha kamra trekam jong Deputy Commissioner Hanong Po ha ka bala sakhi lang de ki officer sorkar ke district ki electoral registration officers jong ki constituency ba pher bat ki nong yalam jong ki seng san hima
So today we called the representatives from all the political parties and to hand them over the draft electoral roll that has been prepared after the first phase of the SIR exercise. And all the political party representatives were here, also in the presence of the EROs and AEROs of all the 5 constituencies falling under the Ri-Bhoi district, that is Mawhati, Nongpo, Jirang, Umsning and Umroi. And we have handed them over the electoral rolls.